Actually, you're gonna wanna write this down, have a little Bigo cheat sheet, and always reference it. Don't make any Bigo decisions without referencing this formula. Hey guys, I'm RaveWithShai. If this is our first time meeting, thank you so much for being here. I'm Shay, and I'm a live streamer on the Bigo Live app. Today we're talking about the Bigo formula, the difference between beans and diamonds, and the different things that you need to know to make sure that you can make the most money possible. Start to get in a good relationship with math. Don't fear it, don't avoid it, or become friends with someone that's in a really good relationship with math. Math is important. In Bigo, there are digital currencies. It is a global app. There are beans and there are diamonds. Both are digital currencies on the Bigo Live app. Beans are great because beans you can convert into money. 210 beans equal $1 US. At any point, once you have a certain number of beans in your wallet, you can convert that into money into your bank account. So you want to keep your beans. When you're gifted, you receive beans. When you send a gift, you are using diamonds. With diamonds, you can only use them to gift. You cannot convert that into cash. So keep that in mind as well. You can put money in the app to receive diamonds, and you can use diamonds to gift to other people on the app. Beans, on the other hand, you are gifted beans. So if someone gives me a gift in my live, I get beans in my little Bigo wallet. So it's digital currency, a little digital wallet, and you need to know the difference between beans and diamonds. Think of beans as quarters and think of diamonds as dollars. If you spend $1, one diamond, and send it to me in my live, I receive 1/4. I get 1 bean. Automatically, I'm only getting 1/4 of what you sent me. Bigo takes the rest. It's important to understand that and know that, especially when you're setting up different swaps and trades with other people. If you do plan on gifting, convert your beans to diamonds and gift with those rather than putting a lot of money into the app. You want to turn your beans into diamonds and use that to gift. You're gonna get a higher conversion rate and you're not gonna lose money. You're not gonna lose as much money as you would if you put money into the app. If you are gonna be putting money into the app, or if you are going to be gifting other people to support people that have supported you, get a better conversion rate from bean to diamond than cash to diamond. That was a lot. We're gonna take a pop quiz. Just kidding. No, we're not. Diamonds are dollars, beans are quarters. Here's a formula that I want you to write down and never forget it. Have it, tattooed on your hand for all I care. If you're gonna be a Bigo Live host, if you're gonna be a live streamer on this app, this is a formula you need to know. It's so convoluted and it's crazy, but you gotta know it. Otherwise, you're gonna lose money. And no one's here to lose money. We're all here to make money. Use this formula. Write this down, make this part of your Bigo cheat sheet, your Bigo Bible. Don't make any decisions without really fully understanding what the rules are for any activity, for any rebate. Use this math, figure it out. Here's the percentage. This is how you can know the different conversion from beans to diamonds. It might sound like gibberish right now, or if you're not new here, you're welcome, because you've probably been trying to figure this out your whole journey. These are things that I've learned thanks to my great family leader, Bex. She's amazing. She's taught me everything that I know. The 3 things that she taught me in the beginning, these are like the cardinal rules of Bigo, all right? Listen up. These 3 right here. Only support people who support you. Gift the right people at the right time. I've given a dragon, which is basically $250 US, or 10,000 beans. I've given dragons to people that just never gave it back. Not only did I give them that, but I did it during a rebate event that gave them 50% rebate back. So make sure that you have a good alliance and gift the right people at the right time. Make sure you ask for gifts at the right time. If you're sitting in 100% rebate PK, you want to get as many gifts as you can to reach your goal, because that is 100% rebate. If you're given $100, Bigo will give you $100. Let's use beans. If you're given 100 diamonds, Bigo will give you 100 beans. Those 100 and 110% rebates, don't just ask for gifts when you're live. Ask for gifts when you're in a PK. Only ever put money into the app during a good recharge rebate event. Do not put money in the app. Do not purchase beans unless you have a recharge coupon or have a recharge event going on. That's very important. Make sure you look at the rules. Ask your family leader, ask your agency, come to me. Make sure it's a good recharge event before you put money in, especially if you're putting a lot of money in, because there's a lot of money that you can get back if you wait for the right ones. For instance, don't use a 5% recharge. No, throw that out. Buy $1 worth. You want to wait until it's like a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 really high rebate or really high recharge event. Only put money in the app when you have a recharge event. If you're new here, when you first sign up to the app, you're gonna get like a crazy rebate. You're gonna be like, oh, I'm never gonna put money into the app. You will. If you don't, it's a business. You gotta spend money to make money. Use it. Use that recharge coupon. I think mine was like 50% and I bought 99 cents worth, which I regret every day. Make sure that you know what you're doing if you're going to be investing money into the app. But on the other hand, make sure you know what you're doing if you're investing time into the app. Time is money, you guys. I know you guys know that. Support those who support you. Gift the right people at the right time. Ask for gifts from the right people at the right time. And then third, only put money into the app during a good recharge event. I'm actually gonna give you a little bonus tip. Number 4, and this is really important. At all times, you need to have a second device, whether that is a tablet, a computer, smart TV, another cell phone, your significant other's cell phone, your friend's cell phone, or invest in another device. You always wanna have a second device handy, and you wanna have that device have WhatsApp on it. WhatsApp is a huge deal on the Bigo Live app. All of us that have formed alliances, we are constantly on WhatsApp. We are constantly messaging each other like, hey, I'm in a high rebate event. I have 110 rebate. I need you to send me a dragon or 10. If I was live streaming and I didn't have another device, I would have no idea that she was in trouble or needed me. That seems like not that important, but having a second device is clutch. It's so important to always be communicating with your family, with your agency, with your Bigo friends, really anyone that you form an alliance with. There are different groups that have alliances that help each other out during important times. Let's say you're doing the bare minimum. You need your 30 hours and you need 40,000 beans. I would sign up for 1 Impossible Star PK a week. That's 4. If you sign up for 1 Impossible Star PK each week and you hit the minimum, which is 10,000, Bigo will give you 5,000 beans. So you'll get 5, 10, 15, you'll get 20,000 beans in rebates. Plus you'll hit your 40,000 bean goal just by doing 4 PKs. Also, those 4 PKs will get you 20, 40, 60, 80 an hour of time that you need for your monthly goal. Those are the 3 tips that I really have, not even just for newbies, for anyone. I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're not already on the Bigo Live app or you're not friends with me, please come find me. My Bigo ID is RaveWithShai, just like this. I would love to hang out with you on the app. I'd love to give you more tips and tricks. And if there's anything I haven't covered yet, please leave me a comment down below. If you got any value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. And guys, until next time, I will catch you in my next video. Peace.
Bigo 101. My name is RaveWithShai. The Bigo Live app. Bigo's going to be the next big thing.